I'm gonna put that away. I look like somebody hit me. In today's video we are doing a lot of random shit. And we have a new car. Okay, so I need to continue on work on my e36 Touring, fixing engine mounts, gearbox mounts and other things. But main focus will be on the compact. Compact is acting like the battery is dead. It just doesn't react to when you turn the key. So I thought it's an immobilizer. I deleted all codes, checked everything, and I'm gonna have to do a lot more digging to see if this is the case. But first I'm gonna take the battery out and put it for charging. I have an idea how to check if it's the battery. I took the battery out of Touring, so I'm gonna put it in the compact and we'll see, maybe it will start. Have you heard that? We have clearly heard that the starting motor is trying to engage. That clicking noise, but it didn't turn. I'm gonna give you a little story. So the car died, my mom turned it off, tried to start it, it never started again. The key fob with the battery was broken. The solder on the key fob was broken. I'm gonna put that away. It got resoldered. It started working, a key fob started working, so we had no more issues with the EWS, which is BMW's immobilizer. Now, I cleared all errors and tried to start the car. It didn't start, it acted like the voltage was dropping. So I was thinking maybe it's a battery. I started charging it, it didn't want to work. So we tried to start it with other car. Now it seems like the starter motor doesn't want to work. So we're gonna take it out and we will refurbish it and put it back and see if it works. We will also bench test it somehow. Yeah, we can bench test it. And it's gonna be a cool episode. Not today, today I'm gonna start it and release it later, but today is going to be like all over the place episode. So you just gotta hang out with me and let's go do this. So what I want to do with Touring is something it will really enjoy and I will also enjoy it. I need to show you something. We got a brand new motor mount. We got two of them, not one. We will replace it on the Touring because the old ones are busted. And how do I know that? I'm gonna try to show you. Oh, one dent. One and second. Yes, my engine is jumping so high it is making dents in the bonnet. I wasn't recording. Okay, I took one bushing out, put the new one in. Now I have a problem because this one is also broken. but I wasn't able to take the upper nut off the part that is still attached to the engine. Took me half an hour to get it out. As you can see, it's pretty destroyed. And it was just spinning. I couldn't hold it because there's no room to put any tool. Finally, I found a rod that I stick into one of those holes. And after many tries, it finally let go. Now I can finally put new bushing engine mount into the bay. And I will have a lot smoother ride. New mounts are in. Now I can't wait for my new plates to arrive so I could drive this car. Okay, the other thing we have on the agenda today is prop shaft supporting bushing, prop shaft center support. I look like somebody hit me. Oh my god, yeah, but that was a fight, okay? So after about an hour later, the prop shaft is out and I can try to replace the prop shaft support bearing, which will be another struggle. I hope I won't end up with a second black eye.
It will take forever.
Oh! You fuck! It's in gear, that's not neutral. It's still not what I would want, but selecting a gear is a lot easier, if that makes sense. I think it's a gearbox that is destroyed. I wanna replace the gearbox mount, and that will happen now. Cleaning that took a little time, but details like that show how much you really care. Oh, damn. Okay, this alarm clock means that I gotta get out of here and go home because my train is coming. This video has already been all over the place right now. I have to replace the central and two rear brake lines, which is work under the car, and I won't be able to show it to you. This is why I decided to change rear brake lines. So I hope you still enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.